Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. So, I do remember asking you guys a question at the end of 2023. I asked you, what type of content would you like for me to show you more in 2024? And I got a lot of response that you guys wanted me to show more of me doing silk presses in the salon. So, here we are today. I have your lovely silk press. My client is 4C, and as you guys know, if you have watched my videos before, you know I don't like to go by the chart thing. I like to call it what it is. And my client hair is overly curly. It's thick, it's very dense, and it's beautiful. So let's get into today's video. So, in today's video, we will be talking about shampooing the hair, how that is so important to get the best results of your silk press. A silk press has always been a staple style amongst Black women for many, many years. In the early 90s, when I sat in my aunt's salon and assist her with doing hair and also waiting patiently to get my hair done as well, silk press was titled pressing curls. As I moved forward in the 2000s to go to hair school to receive my license as a proud cosmetologist, silk press was titled African American Press Out. And now, as we move forward to the today's age, silk press is simply called a silk press. Making sure the water temperature is lukewarm, this helps you break down buildup, residue, and product in your client's hair. When you're shampooing your client hair, it's important to apply the water all over. The more the curlier the hair is, you must divide the hair, lift it up to distribute the water all over. Today we'll be using the tea tree special shampoo to clarify my client's hair. Remember, all products will be placed on my website for you guys to purchase and buy. I utilize the clarifying shampoo on my clients until the hair feel very light and fluffy. This usually takes about 3 washes. With overly curly hair, you want to stretch it out when you are applying the shampoo to the hair. This really helps you out a lot when it comes to detangling your client's hair. You want to start dividing the hair so you can get close to your client's scalp. Using the palm of your hands stop you from irritating your client and also creating any unnecessary open wounds. You want to make sure you apply the shampoo all over your client hair. This is the time you will utilize your fingers as combs. You'll comb through the hair to make sure you distribute the shampoo to every hair strand. This is a technique I had to repeat 3 times with the clarifying shampoo and 1 time with the moisturizing shampoo. To wash out shampoo, you must set the temperature back to lukewarm and continue to wash until all shampoo is removed. Deep conditioning your client hair is very important. This helps prevent heat damage and also locks in water, moisture, and conditioner in your client's hair. Now we must detangle the hair once again. Make sure you're using a leave-in conditioner and water to help you detangle through the curls. Now that the hair is completely detangled, we can blow dry the hair. I really love this dryer. It has helped me a lot in the salon with speeding up my time. If I can find the link to this hair dryer, I definitely will leave it down below for you guys to purchase it if you like. Now I will be dividing the hair into small, fine sections. Then I will apply the heat to press it out. Please remember to set the temperature to what is best for your hair. This always depends on the strength and the condition of the client's hair. This technique will continue to be repeated until you're completely done with your client hair and the press out. Now you will see me cut my client's ends. This is something that is very important. It helps keep the hair healthy and hydrated. Moving forward, I will be adding layers to my client hair to give her more body and volume. This is something that is a preference, it's not a necessary thing. I will be using the T3 curling irons to give a nice big bouncy curly look to finish off the silk press. Please remember all products and salon tools will be located down in the description and also can be purchased on my website at www.my2gotohands.com. So we are coming to an end to close out today's service. But before we leave, please pay attention to the health, the body, and the natural shine in my client's hair. The top two reasons for this overall outcome is one, my client cares for her hair at home, and two, my client came to a professional that cares for her hair at the salon. Those two things are very important. I want to thank you guys so much for continuing to always watch my videos. And I love you guys so much. And we are coming to the end of today's service. But before we leave, I want you to hear my client's review of me. You like this? No, you took your time. You explained everything to me, even my concerns. You helped me. Like, oh, make me want to cry. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Like you ever been of going to like a new place you've never been to before? You're like, how would they treat my hair right? Yes. But you took your time from like beginning to end. Even yesterday with all my questions. All your concerns. Yeah. Once again, I want to thank you guys so much. And please remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.